We're joined now by Ernie Tedeschi. He's the Director of Economics at the Budget Lab at Yale University, former chief economist at the White House Council of Economic Advisors under the Biden administration. Look, let's be very clear about this. American businesses would have to pay something like $210 billion back if they were made to do so as of August the 24th, if Trump loses. So the Treasury is going to have to pay that money back. How would that even work?
So there are easy ways to do it and hard ways to do it. You know, if the administration were motivated, they could set up a website where anybody with tariff claims from, through August applying to the IEEPA tariffs, the tariffs that are the subject of this case, could submit for refunds. But the administration could also make it more onerous and slow. And my guess is that they will probably drag their feet if it comes to that.
So Trump himself has said, and I quote him, if they make the wrong decision, it would be a devastation for our country. Look, what do you believe the likely result on this is going to be? And I think it's the ripple effects, right? Even if we haven't got a definitive answer on this, it's this kind of concern, this unpredictability, this sort of, worry in the markets that the administration hasn't got his arms around things at the moment that's really beginning to hurt assets, U.S. assets.
Yeah, I would emphasize a couple of things. One, just on the merits, it's very unclear how the court would rule. One could easily imagine them wanting to curb executive power into revenue collection, which in the Constitution is clearly the purview of the legislative branch. On the other hand, this case hinges on the definition of a national emergency, and the court may not want to get their grubby hands into a political question like that. The other thing I would emphasize is to remind people that there are unused authorities that this administration has not drawn on yet that would also allow for tariffs. 338, 122. These are sections of various laws that have been passed in the past. And, so the administration has a couple of break glass in case of emergency options that it could use. Now, those may ultimately also be found to be limited or illegal, but they would have to work their way through the courts again. So over the next, 2 or 3 years, tariff policy is very much going to look like basically what it is today.
Good to have you, Ernie. Thank you very much indeed.